Romana Cizelj.
Poročilo o financiranju in delovanju Evropskega sklada za prilagoditev globalizaciji. Evropska solidarnost je
the adjustment of the Globalization Adjustment Fund. For many people this is nebulous, but this is something which benefits people when they're in a difficult situation, but it is shown that this fund doesn't work well. So I expect from the Commission that it takes this motion for a revision of the fund very seriously. I have a revision on this fund because there is an unlimited duration, because I think this fund is a political response to the current situation. The EU in future must tackle employment with other instruments. It must establish competitiveness in European industry. We must make sure that we don't create a mechanism that protects those which haven't adapted to the changed situation, and that's why I voted.
Or to Mrs. Barbara Matera.
In quanto shadow rapporteur di questa relazione.
I'm a shadow rapporteur for this own initiative report from the EPP, and I would like to thank the rapporteur for his excellent work done up front.